Welcome back to the channel, guys. Wagwan Tours. We're here in Lindos, we're in the parking. When you come to here, you've got to park at the top, €7. That's for a day. But yeah, you've got a supermarket to grab your water. And walk all the way down to the beach. Lovely lady over there you pay your money to. But yeah, let's go and see Wagwan in Lindos. So we just parked the car. We're going to take a little walk down. So let's have a walk together.
Really pretty area though already. I'll show you guys some of the views. So you can get buses here. They did like excursions, so it's like coach trips and stuff. So yeah, you can get buses, coach trips and everything here, but we drove. So there's lots of different ways if you don't have a license. And you get taxi as well. Taxi prices there.
See, most people are making the mistake of driving down. That's what we did. We did exactly the same. We drove down. The lady, when we rented the car, she did tell us, as you go into Lindos, at the very top, park and walk in. But, you know, as tourists do, we forget what people say, and then we drove in and had to drive all the way back out. So as you can find anywhere around Europe, there's always a good black African lady to do your hair. Do all the braids for you, everything. Hello, how are you? So England. You? Where?
Holiday.
No, where are you from?
Mali, Africa.
Mali, okay, lovely to meet you.
Your hair?
Hey, no, not now.
Me too.
Same
UK,
place,
wife.
UK, yeah. Yeah, wife, yeah. Yeah.
Black from Africa.
No, she got you, she's got you. Thank you, yeah? Have a good day. Everywhere.
There's a slightly closer parking here, but
Well, there's actually 2 parking spaces. Yeah. When we drove up, there was none here, so it's lucky there's 2. Actually, 3 parking spaces. Have a quick look over this wall. Show you guys the view. Hopefully you pick it up quite well. Should do. This is a little taxi stop right here. But yeah, we're going down there. So let's keep going. Again, there's some taxi prices. Airport is 75, look at that. Water parks here. Yeah. As you can see, every single one of these cars has made the mistake of driving down. As I said, we did it, even though we was told not to when we picked up the car. See, and then it just causes a big traffic jam because no one can listen. That's tourists. They do what they want. So yeah, if you've got mobility issues, you have to get yourself dropped down here in the car and then circle back up and again pick them up again. Looks like there's a little buggy service. So that way down to the main beach. Let's have a quick look down there at the viewpoint. Lovely little restaurant here. Right where you got the public toilets, got the viewpoint.
Ortada mı olmak istiyorsun? Sen fotoğrafın ortasında mı olmak istiyorsun?
Look at that blue sea, turquoise. Right, so what we're doing first? Go around, yeah? Come on then. Let's go and have a look around. Lindos. Rooftop cocktail bar, eh? Get your view around there.
There's one there.
Oh, where do we go? Like a little maze. Oh, nice little cocktail bar. Little noodle bar with burgers. Something's closed. Thank you. No. Little crepes. Nice, got a little vegetarian menu in there. Don't know what the time is, let's have a quick look. It's 1:30. Have to get ourselves some food and a drink in a minute. In 1:30. Which way? Which way do we go? It's really nice, huh? Everyone chilling under the shade. Very nice designs.
O dükkan daha kuytuda da ya daha ucuz olur.
Happy hour. Okay.
Tak možná tu ponorku přijde na začátku.
Sun seems like it's playing some good tunes. We stopped to have a quick drink.
Yeah.
Come on then.
Stop it here.
In here. So yeah, we're gonna go in there, have a quick drink, have a chill out. Got to the roof. Hello. You go up, yeah? Very nice music playing in there, nice bit of reggae. Get ourselves up onto the roof. One more time. Let's go and see the views from up here. Wow. Look at that. Whew. Let's take a half in, half out shade. Whew. I'll show you this view then. So on the next video I will tell you which castle this is. I only just got here. I didn't even look on Google Maps yet. But I will check it all out. But yeah, this must be a great little area to live in. It seems like you've got everything right here on your doorstep. Maybe it's Lindos Castle. I don't know. I'm just making it up. But yeah guys, let's finish the vlog. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. It's like I said before, you've got like 80 to 95% of you guys have never subscribed to us, so you watch our videos. So please help us out by subscribing. Share, like, share the video to your family. If you love coming to Rhodes, Greece, if you love Greece in general, please share the videos, and you know, we've got plenty more coming, so peace out to the next one.